Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and labeling the switch so you don't restore power accidentally. Put on gloves and remove the trim or glass to access the lamp. Keep screws nearby. Once exposed, inspect the lamp base and transformer. Identify magnetic versus electronic and verify voltage. 12V or 120V matters. With that known, choose the correct LED replacement or driver. Make sure to work methodically so you won't guess later during reassembly. You remove the halogen by carefully pulling or twisting, matching the base type. GU10 twists, Mr. 16 pulls. Once the old lamp is out, test the transformer type again. If the halogen used an electronic transformer, either replace it with an LED-rated driver or bypass it following local code. Connect the driver to the fixture wires, observe polarity for DC units, and seat the LED lamp firmly into the holder. Once seated, replace the trim and secure screws so the lamp stays aligned. You restore power and immediately test the new LED for stable light, correct color temperature, and expected brightness. Make sure any existing dimmer is LED compatible. If the beam looks off, adjust the lamp orientation and tighten the trim screws. If you see flicker or no light, first turn power off and recheck connections, then confirm driver compatibility or replace the driver. If a dimmer causes problems, swap to an LED-rated dimmer. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.